Morning! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are currently on our way to the dentist because Jeremy will have his first dental appointment. He is 19 months and I asked before when's the best time to take your baby to the dentist, and then some says 12 months, some says 18 months. Pero itong dental clinic na tinanungan ko, I asked them and then they said 18 months. But he's 19 months now, so a little bit late. But still, we are taking him to the dentist. Ang ganda ng weather today. It's been sunny for a week now, and then, ayan, blue skies. Pero, don't be deceived, sobrang lamig. Even though it's so sunny, it's really cool. But we're glad. We're not complaining. We need the sun. We don't mind the cold, but we need the sunshine because it's very depressing pag walang sun, especially dito sa tinitirhan namin. We are also going to Costco. We finally got our cash back from our Costco MasterCard. And dito sponsored vlog, okay? Every January or first statement of the year, we get the cash back, and then we spend it most on essentials, home essentials. So, yung mga home essentials na yun, it will last for at least like 5 to 6 months. So, it's not that bad. So, very worth it din na mag-grocery sa Costco if you are trying to buy some home essentials like paper towels, toilet papers, and stuff like that. Join us for today and we're gonna show you what we're gonna buy. And yun lang yung lakad namin today. So, see ya! Hello, Dad. Yes, we need that. Oh, finally, we've been waiting for this. And it feels so good to see the sun. Jeremy! Hi! It's cold. Hindi ka nalalamig, Daddy. What's that, Jeremy? Oh? What's that? It's a?
Ano wiyo?
Ambulance!
Sa wiyo?
Ano sabi na ambulance? Oh, wow! Thank you! So, we made it to our appointment.
Go, brush your teeth. Are you gonna use tooth?
So, we're done taking Jeremy to the dentist. And sabi naman ng dentist, okay naman yung teeth niya. And we got a reminder na every after milk, dapat pala i-wash.
Yung milk juice.
Yeah, sa teeth niya. And then what else did we learn today?
Thumb sucking.
Thumb sucking. No pressure, but we have to start breaking the habit of thumb sucking. So, after dentist, treat agad eh. Okay, let's do it. Oh, you're my ube. Ano ba gusto mo dyan?
May ube.
Kaya ba natin na?
Baka mo to, ako na siya.
Okay, we are now on our way to Costco and gusto ko lang i-share yung kinuha naming ube. Tawag dito?
You're
ano
my
siya?
ube.
You are my ube. Ano siya? Ube drink with like with 2 shots of espresso. We don't really drink coffee, but it's really good. So if you want to ubefy your coffee, get this. This is from Baked in the Westminster location.
It tastes like hot chocolate.
And it has like a cookie on top of it, and then
Ube whipped cream.
and ube whipped cream, and then what else? It has like coconut
Coconut and ube flakes.
coconut flakes on the side of rim of the cup. So, Jeremy like the ube cookie. Siya lang ubos na. Ayan, yeah. Dito na kami sa Costco. Ito ang happy place naming mag-asawa. Pag sinabi ng isa, Costco tayo. Pero syempre pagka may budget lang. Hey! We finally found a parking. Usually, ang hirap ng parking dito kasi sobrang daming nagko-Costco. And today is Monday. It's a weekday, so medyo konti lang ang tao. And it's only 10 a.m., 10:20 a.m. So it's still kind of early. I think they open at 9 a.m. Yeah, we're so excited mag-shopping kasi may pang-shopping kami today. Pero yung shopping namin is essentials, hindi yung talagang mga wants. Needs lang. You want water? Saan?
Hi.
Hi, balong.
What happened to your face?
Me. Okay, it's time to get your ride, Jeremy. Kalimutan namin yung listahan namin. So, ito ang ginagawa namin. Mag-aisle to aisle na lang kami. Medyo wala sa mudtong balinggit. Kaya medyo challenging mag-vlog ngayon. Wala na. Gusto nang maglakad ng balong. Kala niya nasa library siya. Uy, wow, toys! Wala na yung plano natin. Pinakita pa eh.
Kailangan na.
Awi. Okay, we need this. Kasi paubos na. We need balms. Medyo nagmahal na rin yung paper towel. But we really need this at home.
His first free taste.
Suki ng free taste si Jeremy. We'll get tissue. Jeremy, pumunta tayo dito para mag-shopping. Pero tingnan mo naman.
Wala na. There's one more. Noodles.
More, anak. Gutom na gutom si Balong, ah. More. Suki ka ng free taste.
What's this?
Jeremy, are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Bawal, anak. Oy. Bawal po. Lika
Okay,
na,
let's go,
let's go. Kailangan natin. Bigat. Guys, meron na silang mega sardines. Ayan, laki.
Say rice. Rice. This one part, okay?
Free taste pa more. Walang ano ah. Walang tigil sa pagkain ah. Load it up.
Here's the haul for the day.
Okay, so we are done shopping here at Costco. Medyo nagulat ako sa bill. Hindi ko inaasahan na gano'n siya kalaki. And the fact na 24 nag-aside din kami ng budget for that. But anyway, nakatulong din yung cashback kasi na-minus dun sa total ng bills. Later, ipapakita ko kung ano yung mga bili namin na essentials namin as a family of 3 and how much yung mga nagastos namin for today. So, yun. Okay, so ito na ang mga shopping namin sa Costco. And I'll show you guys isa-isa bago namin sila iligpit. Nahin na natin yung malalaki. So, we got this paper towel, 12 paper towels. So, I think maglalast to for at least, ilan dad? 4 or 5 months? Or 6 months eh. Ubos na rin tong bath tissue namin. I think maglalast din to ng 6 months for us. Okay, next naman, we got this mandarins for Jeremy kasi favorite niya ang orange. Always cats. Wala to sa listahan pero bumili ako. Kumuha rin ako ng reusable food bags for Jeremy then for us, probiotic drinks. And para siyang Yakult. So, first time namin itong itatry. Our favorite sausage. The Japanese style sausage. Masarap to. May cheese siya sa loob. So, pwede siyang pambaon-baon pagka walang baon. So, ayan. Meron din kami salad kit. Ayan. Tilapia. Ayan. Masarap yung tilapia ng Costco. Gusto ko siya. Frozen shrimp. For example, magluluto kami ng balatong. Maganda tong protein. Chicken thighs as well. Proportion din namin ito. Gumagawa kami ng cucumber salad namin. So, ito. Cucumber. Favorite namin yan. Meron din kaming piniling beef bones. So, gusto rin namin yung beef ng Costco. Yung beef bone lang ayun. Malasa siya. Karne din siya. So, beef bones or beef... Ano ba to? Oh, beef back ribs. Yan. Napakita ko na to last time sa vlog ko. Pero bibili kami ng lean ground beef sa Costco kasi malaki siya. And then, ipo-portion ko siya. So, maganda siya pang giniling, pang spaghetti. Toothpaste. Yan. Kasi isa na lang yung toothpaste namin. Tea. Sobrang ganda nitong tea na to. And, na-try namin to during flu season. Especially yung turmeric spice. It's really good sa throat. And then, di ko hiyang yung turmeric ashwagandha. May ashwagandha siya dyan. Ibibigay ko siya sa kapatid ko kasi gusto niya to. Ang tagal niyang wala sa Costco Ngayon siya bumalik ulit. So, kumuha na talaga ako. And mili na din kami ng aming rice. Brown rice. Eto, nakita ni Daddy to sa Costco sa isang location. And then, buti na lang sa location na pinupuntahan namin, meron na ito. Mega sardines. So, gusto-gusto namin nito kasi, for example, magluluto kami ng sardines na may miswa or patola. Perfect. So, mega. And our oil. We got now the grapeseed oil. Dati, olive oil, pero sobrang mahal na ng olive oil. And we only use this, or yung olive oil before if magigisa kami, para hindi masyadong magastos sa mantika. We got this one kasi it's much cheaper than the olive oil na. So, I hope it's okay for cooking. Sabi naman yun dito for fried, cooking, baking, and salad. So, yeah. We got this laundry detergent, Purex. Ito yung binibili talaga namin na laundry detergent kasi mahal lang tayo, guys. Hindi na namin siya afford. Hindi naman sa afford, pero hindi na siya within our budget. So, matagal din tong maubos. Yeah. Ang lalaba mo lang din naman, diba? So, it does the work. Also, to treat ourselves naman, we got this honey roasted nuts. Nut mix. Yan. And then, last but not the least, our water. And then, we recycle din naman yung mga bottles after. So, nababawi din namin yung deposit fee niya. Okay, guys. Price reveal. For all the 24 items. Wait lang, anak. So, we spent $423 and less $200 kasi ginamit namin yung cashback namin from our Costco Mastercard from last year. So, 50% ng total, yun lang binayaran namin. So, ang total with tax is $215.80. Mahal pa rin siya. Imagine, 24 items lang, umabot ka na ng $400. But the thing is, kaya kami nag-grocery sa Costco kasi kailangan namin yung mga large portions kasi it is good for at least, for example, yung mga meat, fish, it's good for at least a month. And then, yung mga ganito, yung mga kailangan sa bahay, it will last for 6 months. And that's it. Just wanna share kung ano yung mga nabili namin ngayon sa Costco. And medyo mahal nga siya, pero I think mas nakakatipid kami pagkabultuhan yung mga bibilihin namin. So yun, thank you guys for watching, and maglilipit muna kami. I-refill na namin yung mga stock namin sa pantry and sa laundry. And say bye-bye na. Say bye to the vlog. Bye na. Say bye to the vlog. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! I will quickly show you yung mga na-portion ko na nabili namin sa Costco. So, ito na yung ground beef. Meron siyang 5 portions. And then, yung chicken naman, ito yung old one. Meron tayong 4 portions, 5 thighs each. I think it's gonna last until 1 month and a half. Meron tayong beef bones, 2 portion. And then, yung tilapia naman, 3 per bag kasi 3 na kami. So, ayan. And then, itong mga old ones na yung mga ayan. Bili din pala kami nung beef rolls. Nakasale siya sa Costco. So, talagang i-justify mga nagastos din. Pero, hindi naman siya yung waldas na gastos kasi ito yung mga pagkain namin. Tara na, anak! So, yun lang. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye-bye!